A small boy Navin goes to the market. He wants to buy some mangoes. Among many, he chooses one shop, gets into it, and asks the shopkeeper for 500 grams of mango, that is half kg. The shopkeeper assures him that he has given him 550 grams of mangoes, but he suspects the shopkeeper. He comes home and then he checks the weight of the mangoes using the weighing machine at his home. And what? To his surprise, he finds that the mangoes weighed only 450 grams.
Hi everyone, this is Nosy. I am Navin Shivaram, and today you saw a clip before starting this session. There you saw Navin who was cheated in the marketplace. Do you know why he was cheated? Yes, there's a reason why he was being cheated in the marketplace. Come, let's see about this. Are you consumers? Yes, sure, you should be a consumer. People participate in markets versus consumers and producers of goods. For example, we move in the market to buy some fruits or vegetables. That agriculture farmer comes in the market to sell his products and goods to the people. So people participate both as consumers and producers of goods. So, do you know the ways in which people are exploited in their market areas? Yes, there are many ways they are exploited. For example, here are a few ways in which, for example, if you buy some snacks or food items, there will be a MRP rate, that's maximum retail price, printed on its pack. For example, it's 20 rupees and they may sell it as 21 or 22 rupees. It's a way they exploit or cheat the consumers. And for example, there will be a rich companies or a rich shop where people are less scattered in it. They play an effective role on people by cheating them and by using words on them, because they are not so powerful as compared, the shopkeepers are so powerful than people. So these are the ways in which people are get exploited in the marketplace. So, do you know why consumer movement or consumer acts or protection acts are rights come? There are many ways in which they are raised. Why consumer movements arose? Yes, it arose when the dissatisfaction of consumers, when they are indulging, the sellers are indulging unfair means to the consumers, the consumer movements arose. Till 1896 there was no movements, but after 1896 government enacted an act called COPRA Act, Consumer Protection Act, COPRA Act in 1896 for the welfare of the consumers and for the punishment of sellers the unfair means to the consumers. Consumer rights? Yes, you should be known of it. Some are right to be informed. It's the first one of first consumer rights is right to be informed. You should be right to be informed whether buying a product or selling it. For example, you are taking with a policy. You should be informed about its rules and regulations before signing it up. It's the first law, that is right to be informed. And right to choose, the second one. You have right to choose any products or any object before buying it. There should be no compulsion on the seller on behalf of anyone of his side. And third one is right to seek redressal. For example, if you bought a pen which you don't like, you have a right to exchange it, the seller, with another object. This is called right to seek redressal and right to represent. If you bought any package with adulteration, you have a right to represent in this the product to the case, to the court for recompulsion. So these are few important rights, you should be known of it. And do you know there are 3 tiers of COPRA Act? The judiciary acts on district level, state level and national level. Up to 0 rupees to 20 lakh, district court takes up the problem, and from 20 to 1 crore, state level, and more than 1 crore, it will be transformed to or changed to national level. The Supreme Court takes up the problem. In this session, So if you like it,